Hey everyone, Nate from Perspective here. I'm going to show you how I'm using Perspective right now to get feedback on a video that I just recorded about how to use Perspective to get feedback. Ultra meta, but I thought maybe this would be cool to share. So my research question is, how can I improve this video? You know how hard it is to type and talk at the same time? Okay, so just for context, I recorded a video about how to use Perspective to get feedback. I want to get feedback on the video from the folks that I work with. So I uploaded it to my Google Drive. I'm including this Google Drive link, and now let's get started. So I was trying to narrate while I did the interview here, but I just cannot type and talk to save my life. I'm just doing the interview, explaining to Perspective what sort of feedback I want about the video, and now let's pick it back up. Cool. So let's see what it came up with for my research outline. Okay. Assess the clarity of the content, how engaging the video is, and any areas of confusion or improvement. And yeah, it's going to my coworkers, so I'm going to invite participants, and I'm just going to copy the link and put it over here in Google Chat. And we'll be back once I have some answers to analyze. Earlier, I pointed out how I put the Google Drive link into the actual research question itself. And the reason I did that is you'll see that Perspective recognizes this as an artifact, and it's saying, to start off, can you tell me how, if I've had a chance to see the video yet? If not, can I provide the link? I'm gonna say, give it to me, and here it is. So now I can click on that, and it'll literally take me here to the explainer video, which hopefully this time everybody likes it, and you'll see it soon. So back to the show. All right, so it's the next day, and I've got some completed interviews from the other folks on the Perspective team. So let's figure out how I can make this explainer video a bit better. Now I can generate a magic summary, or I can research myself, which is generally my preference. So I'm gonna start there. And I'm gonna ask Perspective, based on what you learned from the interviews, give me 5 things I can improve about the video. So right now, Perspective's analyzing all those interviews, and as you can see, it's going to generate 5 recommendations for me. So looks like visual mode. So I recorded the explainer video using the dark mode feature in Perspective. That's my preference. As you can see, I'm using light mode now, and I guess we'll re-record the explainer video in light mode. Let's see. Introduction and conclusion. We had some professionally made, intro and outro slides. Looks like maybe I can use those. Minimize the intros. I guess looks like my intro is too long. I need to simplify the language, and I have a giant screen, so I need to improve the dimensions of what I'm recording. This is really awesome. Okay, so now that I have these recommendations, I'm actually gonna give Perspective the script that I wrote, and I'm gonna ask it to make some improvements based on these recommendations. Let's see what it tells us. All right, so now it's rewritten this script for me, and I'm gonna take this, obviously, give it a quick thorough read through, make any changes that I think I need to make, and then I'm gonna go re-record the explainer video, which at this point, you may have already seen in our welcome email. So that's how I use Perspective at Perspective to get perspective. Sorry, that was dumb. That's how I use Perspective to get feedback on my actual job that I'm doing here to help build this company. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Oh, and drop a like or a comment if you enjoyed this. Thank you.